Hey everyone, welcome to Sensodyne's Reclaim Life Small Pleasures campaign virtual launch. Come on in. My name is Brandon and today I will be taking you on a journey to learn more about tooth sensitivity, know what actions you can take to better manage the condition, and with that, start reclaiming your life's small pleasures with Sensodyne. Oh, hey Brian.
Hi, Brandon.
What a pleasure meeting you. Brian, can you share with us the inspiration behind GSK Consumers Healthcare to launch the Sensodyne Reclaim Life Small Pleasures campaign in Malaysia?
Tooth sensitivity is a common dental problem. So in the middle of the pandemic, we did the research here in GSK Consumer Health, and the study showed at least 7 out of 10 Malaysians are suffering from tooth sensitivity. For those who suffer from sensitive teeth, sensitivity is often not just about discomfort, but the cautiousness around the food and drinks that they enjoy. So something as little as enjoying an orange, or a cup of teteri, or an even ice-cold bubble tea might not be so pleasant or joyful. As the nation returns to normalcy from the pandemic, we want to inspire Malaysians to take control of their oral care and help them reclaim their life's small pleasures, like everyday food exploration, experimentation, and experience, without worrying about tooth sensitivity. Anyway, it is the nation's favorite pastime, food. Through Sensodyne's Reclaim Life Small Pleasures campaign, we aim to drive awareness on tooth sensitivity on a national scale, allowing individuals, including sufferers, to understand tooth sensitivity condition better for early management. And even more so during these unprecedented times, we want to support and encourage Malaysians to prioritize their oral health with simple self-care practices that they can do at the comfort of their home with Sensodyne. After all, life is too short for tooth sensitivity.
Indeed, life is too short for tooth sensitivity. Thank you so much, Brian, for sharing with us today. You know, I really like the idea about inspiring Malaysians to take control of their oral care, just so that we can continue to enjoy our small pleasures in life without worrying about tooth sensitivity. Can you imagine missing out on food exploration, food experience, or food experimentation? And that, my friends, would be such a waste.
Hey, Brandon, come take a seat, man.
Hey, look who it is, Sean. Long time no see.
Hello, I poured you a drink.
Thank you. I was just sharing with them like how unmanaged tooth sensitivity can cause you to miss out on all the essential daily pleasures in life. Things like nasi lemak, roti canai, classics like teh ais, ais kacang. You can't enjoy it anytime anymore.
100%. Because food is an integral factor that brings us all together. That's what makes us Malaysians.
Exactly. I mean, we share ourselves, and we experience it, and that's how we show ourselves as Malaysians. And the relationship, right, with tooth sensitivity, if you have it, just completely changes with the food and drink world.
You can't enjoy small pleasures in life, lah. Right?
Ooh.
What's wrong? Something wrong with my drink or what?
No, it's just that I felt this.
A kind of like sharp sensation? I know the perfect person to explain to you why you're feeling such things. Let me just see if she's around. Dr. Husna! Hey, come take a seat, Dr. Husna, come.
Hi, Sean.
Hey, hi.
Hello.
This is my friend, Brandon.
Hi,
Dr.
Brandon.
Husna.
Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, Dr. Husna, actually, just now, Brandon was drinking this cold water just now. And then he felt like some kind of sharp discomfort on his tooth. We just want to know why is he experiencing something like this.
Brandon, I think you may be experiencing tooth sensitivity.
Is that so?
Tooth sensitivity, or clinically known as dental hypersensitivity, is a common dental problem. It is a condition that can develop over time, typically as a result of common problems such as enamel wear, from tooth grinding or overly frequent toothbrushing, or receding gums, for example from gum disease or aggressive toothbrushing. Tooth sensitivity can strike at any age. Studies have shown that it is frequently felt by adults between the ages of 20 and 50. Tooth sensitivity can start to happen when the softer inner part of the tooth, called dentin layer, becomes exposed. Dentin layer lies under the enamel and the gums. Thousands of microscopic channels run through the dentin toward the center of the tooth where the nerve is. So once the dentin is exposed, external triggers such as cold drinks can stimulate the sensation inside the tooth, resulting in a short, sharp sensation of tooth sensitivity. There are a range of things that can trigger a twinge or tooth sensation for people with sensitive teeth. Some of the more common triggers for tooth sensitivity include eating cold food or drinking cold drinks, eating hot food or drinking hot drinks, eating sugary or sour foods, breathing in cold air, or even brushing teeth. If the range of things shared earlier triggers a twinge or creates a short, sharp sensation, it is most likely you have sensitive teeth. However, only a dentist can confirm you have tooth sensitivity and not other dental problem. If you feel discomfort in your teeth at any time, it is recommended that you visit your dentist to ask for advice as soon as you can. And don't forget to visit your dentist once every 6 months for regular dental checkups by adhering to the standard operating procedures outlined by the MOH and the National Security Council or MKN. After discovering you have tooth sensitivity, talk to your dentist about what has caused you to have this problem, what you can do to relieve it, and how to help prevent it from getting worse. You will be advised on the most suitable oral care routine for sensitive teeth, the best toothbrushing technique for you, how often and when. You can also relieve the symptoms of tooth sensitivity by changing your regular toothpaste to a daily use toothpaste specially formulated to care for sensitive teeth. In addition, you can help to minimize further exposure of the dentin and relieve the symptoms through simple changes to your dietary habits. The best care of your sensitive teeth is to incorporate good habits into your daily oral health routines. Follow these tips to help care for your sensitive teeth. First, brush and floss regularly. Good oral hygiene can help prevent conditions that can lead to sensitivity, such as receding gum. Second, don't brush too hard or too often. Brushing overly aggressively or more frequently than your dentist recommends can contribute to gum recession and wear your enamel. Over time, receding gums and enamel loss can lead to exposed dentin and tooth sensitivity. Third, use a softer toothbrush. A softer toothbrush can help to reduce the effects of aggressive brushing and help to protect your enamel. Fourth, use sensitivity toothpaste. Brushing twice daily with a specially formulated sensitivity toothpaste with fluoride can provide daily relief from the symptoms of tooth sensitivity.
Oh, that was so interesting and very helpful. Thank you so much, Dr. Husna, for taking time off your busy schedule to share with us.
Yeah.
I'm glad that it is helpful. I'm actually in the middle of going somewhere to an appointment, so if you don't mind.
No worries.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
We'll
for
catch
spending
up
your time
later,
with us. Okay.
Right, thank you, bye.
See you.
Actually, Brandon, to be honest, I had the same problem like you had with tooth sensitivity as well. I was not able to experience small pleasures in life, like you said, like cold drinks that I want to drink, sweet food that I want to eat, all the desserts that I love and I crave. Even like sour stuff like oranges, sometimes I can't eat them because of tooth sensitivity. Really. But thankfully, I started using Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair toothpaste. It really changed my life, man. Honestly, I can now enjoy all the food that I want to eat without worrying about any discomfort on my tooth. I actually vlogged about it. You want to check it out?
Yeah, dude, of course. You have it like right here?
I have it right here.
Wow.
Let me show you. Bam. Okay. Most of you guys might not know I used to have sensitive teeth, but thanks to Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair toothpaste, I don't have that problem anymore. Important tip of brushing your teeth, circular motion, always circular motion. No hard, soft and gentle. And that's how you stay clean and fresh.
Okay, cut, take 5.
Hey, thanks. I'm gonna take a quick ice cream break right now. I'll see you guys later on, man. Finally, it's the time of the night where I can enjoy my K-drama. Cold drinks, no problem. No pain. Okay, K-drama dah settle. Kita kena berus gigi sebelum pergi tidur, okay? Doctors recommend you guys to brush your teeth 2 times a day, okay? 2 kali sehari. If you have sensitive tooth, you guys can use this Sensodyne Repair Protect Deep Repair toothpaste. It's good for your sensitive teeth. Berus gigi tau. So yeah, Brandon, so that's some of my experiences with tooth sensitivity. Right now, I can eat anything I want, enjoy anything that I want without the feeling of discomfort anymore.
Wow, thanks for sharing your personal experience, Sean. Honestly, I'm so glad I'm not alone in this. And I think I should start probably using the new Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste, especially with Chinese New Year just around the corner. I don't want to miss out on all the small pleasures of this celebration.
You should.
Oh, by the way, do you know how the Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste actually works?
That is the perfect question, and I'm the perfect person to give us an explanation. Would you like to meet her?
Yeah, of course.
Let's go. So the person we're meeting, her name is Rachel Gunn. She's an expert sales lead in GSK Consumer Healthcare Malaysia. She's the perfect person that will give us all the answers.
Man, I am excited to meet her.
All right. Hello, Rachel.
Hi, Sean.
I want you to meet my friend. He's Brandon. Brandon, Rachel, Brandon.
Hi, Brandon. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, Rachel. So, Sean was telling me that you are the perfect person to share with us how Sensodyne's Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste can relieve sensitive tooth. So maybe you can share with us how it works?
Okay. Nearly 60 years, Sensodyne has committed to scientific research and created innovative formulation in offering range of toothpaste that help more people to relieve their tooth sensitivity. And we never stop from improving our technology further. This new toothpaste, with a combination of Novamine technology driven by Aerosol 200 technology, provides deep and targeted repair within the dentin tubules of sensitive teeth to help to prevent the discomfort of sensitivity. It focuses on fixing the inside of the teeth. The deep repair action uses Novamine technology that can help repair teeth from deep inside and forms a protective layer around the teeth. The new Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste is clinically proven for sensitive relief and deep repair. It contains sodium fluoride that helps to strengthen enamel and provides daily protection for sensitive teeth. Its clinically proven formula helps to relieve sensitivity and provide long-lasting sensitivity protection so that you can enjoy life without worrying about sensitivity. Visit Sensodyne website at sensodyne.com.my and check out our Facebook and Instagram pages at SensodyneMY. Don't let tooth sensitivity stop you from enjoying the little moments. It's your chance to start reclaiming your life's small pleasures.
Oh, thank you so much, Rachel, for sharing your in-depth insight on the new Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste.
Yeah, we learned a great deal today. Thank you so much, Rachel.
You're
Catch up
welcome.
with you later, okay?
Catch up with you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
New Repair and Protect Deep Repair from Sensodyne. Its proven science deeply repairs sensitive teeth. Proven by science, prove it in life. New Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair.
Now, it has been a long day of learning about tooth sensitivity. So let's have a pop quiz session right now to recap what we've learned today. Sean, are you up for it?
Forever ready, man. You ready or not?
I'm ready, man.
Okay, I'm going to start with the first question though.
Okay, go for it.
You're going to answer, but I'm going to ask the people at home as well. If you guys can answer, let us know in the comment section below. Baik, question number 1. What is Sensodyne Reclaim Life's Small Pleasures campaign all about?
This one is quite easy. Now, as Malaysians, you are Malaysian, I'm Malaysian, we're returning to normalcy from the COVID-19 pandemic
Yes.
right now. So what Sensodyne aims to do is they want to help the nation reclaim their life's small pleasures like everyday food exploration, experimentation, and experience. The key thing is without worrying about tooth sensitivity. What's more, not over yet, bro. The campaign is about driving awareness on tooth sensitivity on a national scale, allowing individuals, including sufferers, to understand tooth sensitivity condition better so that you can manage it earlier.
Ui, spot on lah, Brandon. It looks like you just read out from somewhere. Dude.
Nah, man, I got it all here from everything I've learned today.
Legend.
Okay, my turn, bro. My turn.
okay.
Alright, ready for this?
Alright.
How do we know if we have sensitive teeth?
Easy lah, okay. How to know if you got sensitive teeth? Basically, I've experienced it firsthand already, so no problem. Obviously, there's a range of things that can trigger the twin sensation, but some of the more common triggers are like eating or drinking cold or hot food,
Yep.
drinks as well, sour food like oranges, or even super sweet stuff like very high in sugar, memang kena juga.
Ooh, I think that's absolutely right. I think that's what I felt earlier as well, right?
Yes.
That twinge sensation thing. Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. Since you asked me about tooth sensitivity triggers today, I want to ask you, how can we improve it?
This is a wonderful question, one that all of you watching can benefit as well. The best care for sensitive teeth is actually to incorporate very good habits in your daily oral health routine. Now that includes regularly brushing and flossing your teeth, of course lah, right? And you cannot brush too hard or too often, right? Because it is advisable that you use a softer toothbrush as well to reduce the effects of very aggressive brushing. Lastly, don't forget, most important key thing for today, you can use a sensitivity toothpaste like the Sensodyne's Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste, which can provide relief from the symptoms of tooth sensitivity.
Right. It's true, man. This Sensodyne, if you guys don't know, the Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair has a combination of Novamine technology. It's driven by Aerosil 200 technology, man. I learned this, watched him just now the whole way through. I watched this. This provides deep and targeted repair within the dentine tubules, if I said it correctly, of sensitive teeth to help prevent discomfort of sensitivity.
Ooh lama, you got the nail on the head, bro.
Next season, kita host together.
No problem at all. But hey, you know what, dude? You got everything spot on, man.
Thank you. You also got a spot on.
I've enjoyed myself a lot with you today, man. Thank you so much for being here. And we got all the questions correct, so clap, clap, clap for both of us. It's been very nice catching up with you, Sean, and thank you for introducing your amazing friends to me as well. And I hope all of you as well enjoyed our little journey of discovery today.
No worries, man, Brandon. Thank you. We've learned a lot about tooth sensitivity today, including what actions we can take to better manage the condition with Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste. You guys must try it out for yourself. Brandon, you have to try this.
I have to try this. In fact, I want to try it right now. So I might just take one of these.
Okay, you take it, Okay, I'll leave this here.
Okay.
I've got to make a move with you. I'll see you soon.
Alright, I'll catch up with you later, man.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Take care, buddy. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Might take two because he's gone.
New Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair goes deep inside the tooth to help provide deep repair for sensitive teeth and forms a protective layer. New Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair.
And there you have it. Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste is clinically proven for sensitive relief and deep repair. Be sure to remember this, from now until the 31st of January 2022, check out GSK's flagship store in Shopee to purchase your Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste at only 10 ringgit for each pack. On top of that, with a minimum spend of 35 ringgit for all Sensodyne products, you'll receive an additional 10% off and 5 ringgit Shopee food vouchers as well. So, what are you waiting for? You can also purchase Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste at pharmacies, dental clinics, mini markets, supermarkets, and hypermarkets all across Malaysia. And for more information on tooth sensitivity and how Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair Toothpaste can help you, be sure to visit Sensodyne's website at www.sensodyne.com.my. You can also check out Sensodyne's Facebook and Instagram pages with the following handle at SensodyneMY. Thank you so much for tuning in, and remember, don't let tooth sensitivity stop you from enjoying the little moments. It's your chance to start reclaiming your life's small pleasures right now with Sensodyne. My name is Brandon. Take care and stay safe.